YouTube. I'm really, really happy right now. Not because of Angel. Anyway, Angel fell, so should have been trying to scratch him off and start. Well, I can't tell if it's scratching off, so staring. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, just recently, my neighbor Lee passed away. Well, not my neighbor, but the lady across the street from me. She just passed away like 2 days ago. Well, a few days ago, okay? And so, I just wanted to say thanks for this. No, not this. This is the box. Okay, don't die! You see, I have my little girl here. She's so pretty. Okay, so maybe this one. Okay, I don't know this music. I don't feel like checking. I'm not giving the description for this one. Thank you for darkness. Okay, so let's open this up. It's the Animal Rescue set from Breyer. It's the STABLEMATES. I'm really happy I got a new. Oh! I love these little books. I love just looking through them. Seeing the horses that I could probably never have. Because I don't have freaking money and I don't have a credit card. Okay, so. Okay. That's not a problem. Okay. Let's rip this baby open. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, this might take me like a minute, but you know what? Just listen to the freaking music. I'm so stoked about tomorrow. I just need to find a black shirt. Like a laugh. One black shirt. I know you're probably like, oh, why am I watching this crap? She's just opening a Breyer box. It's what's in the Breyer box that matters. Okay, how do I do this? Smells like the neighbors. I know, I've been to her house a lot, and so some of her house smells like. Okay, this is like really pissing me off. Okay. 2 more to go. Yeah, you can mute this or something. Oh, crap. Let's turn the music back on. It's Phantom Dragon. I cannot say your name. Okay, so horses, cow, which I think is right. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is my Santa scissors. Cut rubber bands off. They just get in the way. I don't feel like doing it more. Come on. Come on. Come on! Oh, there's the little speaker. And just release that. I have 2 2007 catalogs from Breyer, and then 1 2006. Now I have a 2010. This is 2010. I did not know that. But it was. Oh shit. Okay, come on. Come on, Chip. Don't fall! Not coming out. It's like, no, I don't want to. Tell you. Don't. I missed the twist tie. They're really easy to rip the twist ties. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. The divider right here! On my original it broke. And I do actually tape these. I taped the doors on my old one because they're just messed up and there's a giant tape blob on it. Okay, right now it's going all well. Okay. Okay, we'll review this now. It's really cute and I like it. And I don't even have my horse in it yet. As before, that little thing. You want to just have it standing. And then shove back in. Little connector. Little with tower shape on it. Opens up. There's a tacker. No. For this, you have to pull this small part, and then you can pull the big part. Try to close it like. Oops. If you try to close it like that, it doesn't close. So then you have to do that, and then that. And back doors. Okay. So let's test this out. I'm kind of scared because I don't know if it's real loud or not. Okay, that's really, really annoying. But it's cute. Six wheels on my truck. Okay, so let me move all of this crap off of my desk. Take the little booklet of awesomeness. I gotta put this to stand. Gotta check out my potholes. Okay, girl. Our mission begins now. Okay. Oh wow, this will go up to 15 minutes. Yeah. Oh, it's wonderful beginning. It goes. Okay. It's going to hurt. Yeah, it's going an inch, but it does. Okay. Apparently this doesn't come out. On the other one it does, and it's more open. Like my nail. Okay. Back on the subject. This sounds really getting annoying. Your phone? Yes, I know I have a lot of crap on this desk. I have like everything. First of all, let's get these twist ties. Oh no. Okay. So I've got one of my horses. Oh yes. Tape on the door. I totally forgot. I can't say I must have enough because I really like getting off, but once you get it off, it's really nice. And I even have the little sun tags up here. Okay. Door opens, closes, and the door opens, closes. You just gotta be careful not to like rip it open because if you do, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna die. My desk isn't like 1 inch deep, but I just, so yeah. Tape. And the tape on the trailer thing, idiot. Come on, tape. Good tape, even though I hate you. Okay, so, you know what I feel like that? It took me like a few minutes to understand the bottom. It's so cute, look at that little man first, so cute. Okay, so the track is, if you lose the track, then it's like, no, the trailer looks good. Yes, it will. Not a problem. Okay. Doors open. Oh yes. Here we go. The ramp. Wow, this one actually is good. Mine is all like worn out. Crap. Okay, I'm just gonna open this so you can get a better view so it will be not shadowy. Okay, it's the last time I'm playing this song because it's really starting to annoy me. Okay, so. Okay, I can't zoom on this camera because I'm not computer. The little dividers. Be very careful with that. Once they break off, you are going to seriously want to murder someone. Okay, so. Of course. Stupid ramp. Ramp. Okay, yes. They go all the way to the head. This can fit 3 horses. As you can see. You just do that. And then voila. Yeah, the doors don't stay closed. Okay. Oh shit, I forgot to put the hood up. Well, here it is. Yeah, that gets annoying. Okay. So, I'm gonna actually do another video. No, you know what? Okay, so I have an old, and some douchebag commented mean on it. This was like forever ago, but it still really pisses me off. Okay, so okay, you're Howard and you still play with dolls? MAYAH143ILY. Shut the fucking hell up. I know that was 2 months ago. But I blocked you. You bitch. Okay, I'm really tired of like comments like that. I'm tired of people trying to be like, oh, your video sucks, or oh yeah, that's very gay. I made that in July. It's October now. I have way better voicing, and I don't know. My room has like, don't have a shaggy carpet. I have a small carpet, and then it's wood floor. So if you're gonna be all negative about me, then just go then just go fall in a fucking hole. Go fall down the rabbit hole. And just to let you know, look at Cinnamon Mew Mew. She's like in her 20s. I'm not trying to be mean to you, Cinnamon Mew Mew. I love your videos. They are so amazing. I love Conquering Tide. I can't wait. It's so exciting. Oh, but crap, my hair's sticking out. I just wanted to say that, if you can't respect my videos, just look at the other people. Like Cinnamon Mew Mew, she's older than me. I'm not saying my real age though. And she still does these. She still makes Breyer videos. So what? Okay? I don't want to hear any of this. If I get one more bad comment, I'm seriously going to keep blocking you. Oh wait, too late! I already blocked you! So screw you.